The lift at the Russels Strong Auditorium. Same as the other ones, but it looks like it has bigger doors. Much bigger doors. Come on. Feels hydraulic as well. When I stood into it, it jolted, so that's a good sign of hydraulic. Yep. Lift 2021. I'm missing so many, but I don't know where they are.
Level 1.
Oh, I'm dumb. It would be all the service lifts, wouldn't it? No, that'd be 16 lifts from blue and orange. 8 would be public, and another 8 would be service. So that's pretty much probably why so many lifts.
Ground floor.
Very jolty. More jolty than normal hydraulics.